before on circularity. Ours is a little different. It's about women's empowerment. I think you have seen some of the signature boards that we've put up. I hope that all of you all will pledge your support to keeping Mumbai the safest for women and children globally. That's our intent. And all those who feel that that should be the mandate for Mumbai, please let's hear a huge round of applause for Mumbai. Amazing. So I started the Create Foundation in loving memory of my parents, and we work with children for the last 22 years. I decided recently, in the last 2 years, to start an initiative for the safety of women and to empower them. That was very important. So till now we've been working with integrating children from different backgrounds. They could be from challenged backgrounds and marginalized backgrounds, but the whole idea is to integrate them with mainstream children and give them what we believe is the key to it all, which is equal opportunity for all. So through the creative arts, we empower about 750 children. We work with all kinds of areas of improvement for them, life skill training, so that they can step out of the circle of poverty and get better jobs when they grow up and they are young adults and adults. Coming to our Rise Up for Equality, which is our very, very big project for this year, we are connected and have joined hands with a couple of different people. Specifically, one would be the Maharashtra government, where we are working on several projects to ensure women's safety. The other, of course, is with the Mumbai Police and the amplification of the 103 Women's Helpline number. How many of you all know that we have a Women's Helpline number 103? Raise your hands. Okay, so those of you who don't, please understand that God forbid if anybody needs any help at any time, they just have to dial 103 and the Nirbhaya squad will be at their assistance. So coming to this idea of women's safety, especially in Mumbai, I reached out to a huge number of people to support us in this endeavor, and we were very, very happy that we managed to get on board several film icons like Shabana Azmi, Boman Irani, Jim Sarb, Varun Dhawan, Kiara Advani, Sunil Shetty, Aditya Roy Kapoor, Jackie Shroff, Juhi Chawla, and Sonali Bendre. They all came forward and helped in the amplification of the 103 and ensured that Rise Up for Equality was a success. We also tied up with the multiplexes PVR and Inox, where all these similar ideas were displayed on the screen. And I'm so happy that I got messages from a lot of people who actually went to see the movies, saying that they saw this in the movie theaters, which is great. I think civil society has to take an equal part in ensuring women's safety. That's incredibly important. I just have a very quick video to show you all, which encapsulates what we're talking about in terms of safety and empowerment. Talking about empowerment, how do you feel we can enhance and empower women in the workplace? Anyone, quickly? Any answers, quickly? Do we have mics? Just take them to the... Raise your hands, please. Yes, 1 second, she's coming to you. Come.
Yeah, because, respect begins from home. Right. To tell your husbands and your sons and your servants to, again, as I say, it should be commanded and not demanded.
Right.
But I think, in my opinion, a woman deserves her place, which is married and comes to her marital home.
Right. Okay, sounds good. Anyone else?
It's been a great honor to work with you and walk with you on this journey. So we feel very strongly at Aspire for Her that when we are seeking to create a generation of financially independent women, the basic need that they have is that of workplace safety. Because otherwise, how will they strive in their workplaces, thrive in their careers, and have the basics to lead amazing career options? We're seeing some very interesting trends in modern workplaces now, and many of our client organizations, partner organizations are reaching out to ensure that they give women a very safe space to open up and speak up if there is any kind of concern that they face. I think the whole POSH movement has also evolved quite a bit. So women are encouraged to speak up and not necessarily only within the realms of the legal framework that we have. And the third thing is, I think many organizations are taking care to ensure that for Women's Day, they don't just give out flowers and chocolates, but they actually give them self-defense lessons. They actually give them ability to claim their own space and never to feel worried about the consequences. I think we're seeing some very positive trends like that, but yes, we have a long way to go because the women's workforce participation is still very low in our country, and that's the problem we're trying to solve.
Absolutely.
Global Impact Solutions, and one of the part of our verticals is working with women. One of the things I did long time ago was to make a pledge to say that I would involve more men in women's issues.
Right.
And I think that's a very critical part that we need to understand. We need men to be as involved in this journey, and it's not about being against men but working with them. And so we've started an initiative called He with She. Not he for she, there is a he for she, but it's not about them doing things for us, but working alongside us to solve this problem, because it takes all of us to do this.
Right, that's great. Thank
That wasn't loud enough. Come on, I said, are you ready? Yes. Then let's get started. Make some noise, everyone.
Women's empowerment. So you want to read the sentence out? Everyone take a seat. Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Kirti. I'm from Bombay, and the handout to me says, unleash the power within, educate, elevate, and empower yourself. So the first thing I'm going to do is, I'll tell Ryan that I'm going to be your first customer for the day, but I want to learn I want to learn acting. So obviously, I'm going to learn and be her customer. And what I'm going to do is, I'll say something that I'm sure she knows very well. It's all about, what's the buzz? Tell me what's happening. What's the buzz? Tell me what's happening. What's the buzz? Tell me what's happening. Why would you want to know?
Trailblazer, the game changer, believe in yourself. So do you want to start?
Believe in yourself and spread your wings as high as possible.
Let's clap your loudest, please, for her. Be that trailblazer. Ooh, that's a superhero here. Wow! Big applause for them, they deserve it. Well done. So we've used the dupatta as a wings on my wings.
Wings and
Superman.
superwoman. Has to be superwoman. Please.
By my brush and my creativity, I would like to create more opportunities for women and children and differently able people. LGBT communities are involved with differently able children also. And this world is a beautiful place, and we women have to make it more beautiful. Everybody has to make it beautiful and inclusive, and we have to be compassionate, kind. We must make our children, and especially our male child, be more sensitive towards women and the society at large. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi everybody, I'll take your attention. Oh, look at this. I have so many problems, so many challenges. I'm always shattered with this. Can you help me please? Can you please help me? Can you do something? Come on. You all know this is a society. Please help me. No, we have a voice. We must use our voice. Yes, let's help her. Let's help her. Okay. Through the power of communities, can we do something?
Yes, we can. We can solve all the problems in the community together and become the
challenges. And this becomes our super supportive magic carpet. Come on, let's hold it together.
Awesome. Wow. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for this.
Thank you. Thank you.